We've normalized dropping $800 on gaming peripherals that literally do nothing, like RGB fans. $120 for 3 fans that glow. Same airflow as a $30 case fan from 2019, no cap. Then you got fuzzy AirPods Max at $549 because Gen Z decided audio quality doesn't matter anymore. Just vibes. But wait, it gets worse. I watched someone spend $340 on a gaming mousepad, a PAD. Same surface as a $12 one from Amazon. Zero performance difference. I timed it. Then, and this is where I'm not okay, they bought a $280 RGB keyboard where half the switches don't even register. I tested it, but the lighting hits different, right? That's the real scandal. We're not buying upgrades, we're buying TikToks. The parts don't perform better, they just photograph better, and somehow that's enough. The TikTok version has extra footage we couldn't fit here. Search Zapped on TikTok. Am I cooked for thinking this? Comment below.